Good afternoon, Year 4, and welcome to our end of the week quiz. You have done fantastically this week, and we are really impressed with the amount of work that you've been sending in, the quality of it, and how much you've been learning. I definitely prefer carrying on from where we were and learning what we have been learning. So we thought it would be a nice idea to do a quiz with you. And this is a recall quiz. So it will test your memory on everything that you've learned from home this week, as well as some of the things potentially that we have been looking at in our units just before we started. I wish you lots of luck with this quiz. It's a little bit of fun to test your memory, to test what you have remembered and what you can recall. And all you need to do is write down the numbers 1 to 10 on a piece of paper. You can pause the video if you need to do that now. Okay, I will go through each page with each question on it, and there are 5 answers, and you need to choose the correct one. So they will be A, B, C, D, or E. When you're ready, let's go. Good luck. Okay, maths. Question 1. What times tables have we been focusing on this week? Is it A, all of them, because we need to know them all? B, the 6 times and 7 times table? C, the 9 times table and 6 times table? D, the 3 times table, 6 times table, and 9 times table? Or is it E, the pesky 7 times, 9 times, and 11 times table? What I'd like you to do is write A, B, C, D, or E next to number 1 on your piece of paper. Okay, question 2, English. What were our steps to success when retrieving and recording information from nonfiction? Was it A, remember your capital letters and full stops and that you have relevant information? B, clear notes, bullet points, and neat handwriting? C, full sentences with notes in our own words? D, relevant information, clear note format, and notes in our own words? Or E, lots of information, note format, and notes into our own words? So for question 2, do you think it's A, B, C, D, or E? Okay, question 3. In Miss Fowler's science video, what happened when she first connected a bulb, a battery, and 2 wires? Did it A, cause a fire? B, the light bulb lit up? C, nothing, the connection was incomplete? D, the light bulb turned on briefly, but then turned back off? Or C, or E, the battery exploded? So what one of those happens? That was a mistake in my video on Tuesday. Okay, number 4, RE. Who was the wicked man in the Hanukkah story? Was it A, King Maccabee? B, Judah Antiochus? C, Judah Maccabee? D, Judah Maccabee and King Antiochus? Or E, King Antiochus? Number 5, art. What animal heads were originally on top of the canopic jars? Was it a human head, a dog head, a monkey head, and an eagle head? A human head, a jackal head, a baboon head, a falcon head? The sons of Horus's head, can't remember what they are. Miss Fowler's head, Mrs. Cross's head, Mrs. Blues' head, and Mrs. Chamberlain's head? Or a human face, a wolf head, a baboon head, or a bird head? Which one do you think it is? A, B, C, D, or E? Okay, music, number 6. What song do we start our music lessons with? Is it Tune Baboon Warm Up? The Virgin Mary Had a Baby Boy? Tongue twisters like Red Lorry, Yellow Lorry, and She Sells Seashells? Cum La Vista? Or Walk Like an Egyptian? Which one did you start it off this week? Number 7, Gospel Assembly. Who was the gospel writer for this week's Gospel Assembly that Mrs. Blanche shared with us? So we shared this with you on Monday evening, and it was on our assembly session on the Tuesday. Was it St. Mark, St. Luke, St. Francis, St. John, or St. Matthew? Number 8, computing. What were we learning about in computing this week? So what was our walt? Was it to collect, organize, and present data? To create graphs using Excel? To present information? To collect and record information? To organize information and create a graph or make a graph? Which do you think it was? Okay, 2 left. Number 9, history. Who discovered Tutankhamun's tomb? Was it Henry Carter, Harry Carter, Howard Carter, Harold Carter, or Hugo Carter? Too many H's, I almost stumbled on those names, but which one was it? And question 10 in our oracy session. What was the title of the book Mrs. Plews read for us that we then talked about? Was it There You Are, Here We Are, Where Have You Gone, I Am Here, or I Miss You? Okay, the great thing about us doing that on video is that you can now pause and go back and have a look at any of those questions again. What I would like you to do, so it's a bit interactive between the two classes, is if you can post your comments below the video post today with your 1A, 2B, 3C answers. And what we can do is I will then post a little bit later on this evening after I've given you a chance to have a go at it, and we will see who gets the correct answers. I hope you've enjoyed this week. We really miss you, but it has been lovely seeing the work you've been sending in and having that contact with you over messaging. So please don't forget to message us. And if you have any worries or need to chat to us about anything else, you know where we are. Miss you guys. Have a great weekend. Stay inside and do some crafts. Enjoy. Just have a good one. Speak soon. Bye.